MarMac's polymer surface coatings are developed to protect and extend the lifespan of concrete and other building materials. Each of our coatings are subjected to several extreme rounds of testing to ensure their quality, durability, and performance. Our PSC 2300 series coating is designed to prevent water and chemicals from penetrating into concrete, causing deterioration and a shortened lifespan of the structure. We exposed our 2300 series coating to a wide pH range of potent acids and alkali using a 20% higher concentration than industry standard testing. Here are 4 of the 7 solutions tested we found to have the most dramatic results. Forms of these chemical compounds can commonly be found in soil, stormwater, and sanitary sewer environments. The black discs have been treated with our PSC 2300 series polymer coating. The lighter color-controlled discs are untreated. Ammonia solution is a chemical compound frequently used in agricultural fertilizers to boost nitrogen levels in crop fields. Nitric acid is also used in fertilizers to increase nitrogen levels and lower the pH of soil. Glacial acetic acid, a form of vinegar, occurs naturally in plants, animals, and other organics. Sulfuric acid, by way of sulfate salts, are often found in soil, groundwater, and acid rain. Low levels of hydrochloric acid can also naturally be found in soil, or most commonly from fertilizers used to increase soil acidity. MarMac's PSC 2300 series polymer coating is proven to significantly reduce the long-term effects of concrete deterioration caused by water and extreme pH chemical compounds. For more information, visit marmac.com/PSC 2300.